and very sharp. But for me, the big stars are those guys here.
Local time. We've got everything but a car chase. Alongside Militao, with David Alaba switching back. 6 changes from the team, beaten by a late goal in. It is worth reflecting that so much has happened and changed on the continent in his homeland. Is that this season's final
since the first leg as well. PSG have stuttered on Real Madrid. It'll be really interesting to see how they.
And he's running Marquinhos and finding Asensio. Eddie. They're being rushed at every step here.
The two of them mixed up. Oh, there's a clear push in the back there.
Asensio unable to catch.